it's Bert Bayabo. Welcome, and this is long overdue. I wanted to teach you a short, simple hack on how to get leads into your funnel or use your Facebook to actually get leads. And let's get right on it. So in terms of lead generation, it's important for you to attract customers or people to visit your website. And how do you do that? The most effective way is actually having a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is something you give away in exchange for people's information, like their email, their name, email, phone number, any contact information basically that you give out in exchange for a very valuable thing that the other party is offering. So if you have like an ebook, a guide, checklist, or free, you offer free training like I do, then people would, your actual market or audience would gravitate towards that if they actually need that. So they find that valuable and they'll like check on your profile, or because you spark interest by posting in other people's newsfeed or groups. So let's get right into it. So the way you optimize your social media profile is you start when you click somebody. This is what you see. For instance, I'm going to view my website as a visitor. So this is what I would see if I was somebody else. My cover photo shows me, what I do, what solution I provide for people's problems, and I have a free training, and I created it as a button so people can say, oh, what is that? So they press on it. When they click on it, then there's my link for them to go to my website so they can get whatever I'm offering and download it themselves so that they could use that information. So that's pretty much it. That's one simple hack that you can use to get more people to visit your website. Thank you. And if you want to learn more about it, go to my website. It's endlessleadsmachine.com and get access download the book and access the free training as well. And I'm sure you're going to find a lot of value in what you're about to see. So thank you again, and we'll see you inside.